presenting a pre-owned 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 102 miles per gallon in the city and 87 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.